let's try our hands on some packaging today, and we are designing a makhana packaging in today's video. Here I am with a lot of tabs as you can see, but let's see what all flavors do we have available for makhana. Just doing some research over here and seeing what other brands are offering. I see they have multiple flavors like peri peri, cream and onion, pink salt, and a couple of others. I got the idea what I'm designing for. Now it's time to see what kind of colors I can explore. So let's see some cream and pink color palettes that we can use for our packaging. And after some experimenting, I think I like this color palette better. Next up, let's treat that makhana bowl so that it resembles more like a pink salt makhana flavor. I'm just doing some treatments in here. So I'm trying a lot of things, adding a lot of adjustment layers, playing around with hue, saturation, color balance, and whatnot to ensure that we have a perfect white for our pink salt makhanas. And it's not only that, we have to also adjust the bowl color to pink so that it blends well with the background. And if we have the same color for the bowl and the background, then the makhana will pop out better. So that's my target as of now. So what I have done is I have created a duplicate layer and I have masked out the makhanas. So the below layer is makhana, whatever adjustments I want to make so that it looks like a white makhana, I can do that on that. And for the bowl, I'm making separate adjustments. So the bowl layer is the top layer, which has a mask for the center. And here we have our perfect makhanas. Let's now bring that makhana to our design in Illustrator and adjust the placement of it in order to ensure that it's same as the first design that we have. So the first one I'm creating cream and onion, and for the second one I am creating pink salt makhanas. I have tried to use a Mughal inspired packaging style. So I've used some reference images from Pinterest, and I really like how the Mughal miniature paintings, Mughal architecture was. So I thought of using that for our packaging design. So this packaging design is inspired by the Mughal paintings and the Mughal culture. Now let's give it a premium look. I have added one more shape inside the solid shape that we have for the same color that matches the background, and I'm now adding the word makhana into our design. Let's add a dummy brand name to it. You can add whatever brand name you want. Let's also explore some other color options for this particular shape in order to make it pop and stand out for like makhana. This is what we are selling. So let's see if there's any other combination that works well for this one, and I'm thinking of using a lighter shade of pink to go with this one. Although we are making like a premium packaging for this one, but let's also let's use some playful look for this packaging. So I'm adding some lines around the bowl. This will also help us in drawing attention to the makhanas. Let's also see if we can add some circles behind this particular bowl in order to pop it more and make it stand out. So I'm just playing with shades of pink, adding behind the bowl. This looks nice. Let's add the word roasted just to give more information about the product, the quality that we are selling. So these are just dummy text that I'm adding right now. Roasted fox nuts. Let's just add some spacing in between the alphabets so it's readable enough. Now it's time to add some salt and pepper to our design. I meant adding the flavors for this packaging. Himalayan salt and pepper, that's correct. That's the one that this packaging is targeted for. Now still something is missing. We have added some lines, but there is nothing to balance that particular hand-drawn lines that we have added to the design. So to balance that element, I'm adding yet another hand-drawn illustration of makhana into the design so that the hand-drawn part or the freeform part looks balanced in the composition and doesn't look forced. Here, our first makhana is ready. Let's add it to our design. One? I don't think so. I'm okay with just one. Let's add a couple more here and there to add some visual interest to this design. Let's also play around with the placement of this vector illustration that we are adding. These are very subtle, but yet just add, I think, a flavor to our design. So I'm also playing around with the placement. Something is in front, something is in the back. And you'll notice that just by playing around with the placement of these illustrations, we can add a lot of visual interest into our designs and not have something boring on screen. Now it's time to add some more Mughal inspired stuff to our design just to balance it. So I see that bottom section looks pretty empty. So we can do a little bit of designing in there as well and make the design pop more. So I'm adding these small corners towards the bottom. I'm still not done. So I found this illustration and I think it's a nice visual for adding salt and pepper to our design and to complement the hand-drawn style that we are using. So I'm tracing this particular illustration. We can definitely think about it and customize something that we want for ourselves. We can definitely draw something new, but in case you want to save some time, you can just go ahead and find a free stock illustration for yourself. You can trace it, reuse it, or do whatever you want. For this video, I'm tracing this one. And we are done with this illustration. It's all ready. Let's see the output. Looks interesting. Let's group this, move it. And I think this illustration looks pretty nice in here. It's not grabbing too much attention and it stays in the background and yet adds a nice element to support the salt and pepper that we are selling. So this is one more variation of the design I have created. And our first design for salt and pepper makhanas is ready. Now it's time to go ahead and create further designs for the different flavors that this makhana will be offering. And here we have cream and onion. I follow the same steps that I followed for the pink salt and pepper design. I played around with the adjustments, the colors, the treatments, the curves and whatnot in Photoshop. I again use this. We can definitely go ahead and add more selling points, or we can say unique selling points. In the packaging, we have some space in here if you would like to add something. But whenever we are creating a packaging, we are just updating the colors, maybe the images, and we are creating a set which looks unified. So we are just creating a template for the first design and then we are updating the colors, the images, and using everything else as is. So we have the cream and onion. I created a variation, of course, like the previous one. I created an illustration for the cream and onion in here. A basic illustration, not too fancy, just to complement the design. I'm not a big fan of this one. I really like the one with the corners. But okay, we have a variation in here. Next up, we have peri peri extra spicy. I again played with adjustment layers in Photoshop and had this reddish spicy look. Updated the color of the bowl as well. Again, updated the illustrations and everything. Instead of using a lighter tone of the same background color, I thought of using a yellowish tone for this one because red and yellow, I think they go well with one another. And this is it. We have our packaging ready for the makhanas. We can further go ahead and try exploring other layouts, maybe add some shadow, long shadow to the bowl, or maybe we can split the background into two. One side is dark and the other not so dark. Or maybe we can add some dark color below the salt and pepper. Or maybe we can add some square with a perspective. That's up to you. I wouldn't prefer using any of the backgrounds in the back because I really like the one that we just created with the circles in the background. But this is how we can play around with our designs and create multiple variations if needed and see which one suits the best and which one we are liking the best for our packaging. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this? Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next one.